yesterday, and they might have done. That's what I'm saying. Crazy, man.
I'm done. Let's get into the next.
Unbelievable Declan Rice. He cannot do anything wrong. He is everything for us at the moment. How has Luton has done that to a man, to me? The celebration, I've just screamed the house down like a little girl.
Like a little girl.
Oh my God, where do these people come? Where do they spawn from, man? Like, honestly, why does he always sound like he's got a cold?
I don't know.
It always sounds like his nose bunged up.
I don't know what's going on, man. Harry Potter, listen, get some Vicks, man. You know what I mean? Get that white magic wand out and get some Vicks, bro. Rub it on your chest. You know what I'm saying? Because this guy's talking absolute bucaria.
Against Luton. But I'll tell you what, this, by the way, Stonewall penalty, and we keep getting these go against us when they go for City. Rodri, Haaland, both got penalties for far less. It's two hands. But anyway, doesn't matter now. 4-3. I'll have player ratings out in a bit. Oh, it is.
Cares, mate. No one cares. What do you make of that?
Mate, to be fair, that was a penalty. However, I didn't hear him mention Kivior being straight red.
Exactly.
Yeah, these things keep going against us, but they don't go against City. Did you know? I'm pretty sure he commented on Erling Haaland's tweet the other day. I'm pretty sure he's in the comments on Erling Haaland's tweet the other day, laughing at him. Yeah, well, I guarantee you now, Erling Haaland's a shithouse, bruv. Yeah, I guarantee he's bookmarked all of them top gooners in the replies, mate. Yeah, because when they played play on and Haaland put that ball to Grealish and he was clean through and they brought it back, yeah, have the same energy. Yeah, because if you want VAR and you want refs to be consistent with your opinions on every single team. Yeah, be consistent with every decision that goes against every team. Yeah, because it's all well and good saying that's a penalty. And yeah, it is a penalty. But Kivior should have been sent off. Didn't even get booked. Yeah. The game at the weekend, Grealish clean through. That's a disgrace. Yeah, so Newcastle, Mbappe penalty. The penalty. Disgrace. That weren't handball. Yeah, and this lot were all laughing. Yeah, how's it feel now? Karma and all of that because it's Newcastle. Have the same energy, man. Yeah, because if you want all of these things fixed, yeah, stop being like a 5-year-old in the playground. Ha, ha, your team's rubbish. My team's the best. Ha, ha, ha. They sound like 5-year-olds. It's mad. But honestly, bro. Yeah, but these people, they only do it for the hype and the traction, yeah? It's very easy to grow a platform being super toxic positive than it is saying the truth. Yeah? And you can say a lie a billion times, mate. It's still a lie. But unfortunately, more people will buy into the lie if it's said 1,000 times or 1 billion times. Yeah, because they'll buy into it. Because if they hear something enough, they believe it. Yeah, look at how we sat in our houses for 2 years, mate. Next, we kept getting told the certain thing every single day. Eventually, you get conditioned. And it's the same with this lot. Yeah, they keep spreading out all of this. They keep building their platform up. Anyone who don't go with it is toxic. Yeah, load of rubbish. Absolute load of rubbish. It ain't just Arsenal fans, by the way. Man United are just as bad. Yeah, their fan base is a joke. Yeah, and they're a bigger club than us, so they got more of them. Crazy. Yeah.
It's facts. Absolute facts, bro. Like, the end of the day, this guy can stick to doing TikToks looking like the Arsenal Michael Bublé. But I'll tell you what, Philo Dapple, at the end of the season, you're getting cooked. Because I'm sick and tired of this guy talking rubbish. Yeah? Don't worry. I didn't forget as well what you said about me also on Twitter about I'm a dog, yeah? Don't worry. Who let the dogs out? Trust me, the dogs will be unleashed. Like DMX.
Don't worry, man. I'm a rat, so the rats have been nibbling at the ankles as well, bro, all summer. I don't worry, I've got enough tweets bookmarked, mate, for the summer. If we don't win the league, man, this lot are getting cooked. Yeah, it is going to be cooking season, mate. Yeah, cooking. Yeah, while I'm sat on the beach eating my fried fish. Fried fish. Hey, listen, I hope we do win the league. Yeah, I hope we do win the league. Yeah, but I don't want to hear none of these people chatting rubbish about Pep and City and all of that. Yeah, if we don't win the league and they do. Yeah, because Man City, when he's sitting there saying, oh, none of these decisions go against City, really? Go and have a look at, what's his name? The striker for Wolves. Is it Chan, yeah. He should have been sent off in that Wolves game against City. He ends up scoring the winner against Man City. Yeah, Man City, clean through on goal at the weekend. He brings it back after playing advantage. There's 2 results. Yeah, because Grealish, yeah, he might not have scored, but I'll tell you something, yeah, Haaland's rapid. He would have caught him up, and Grealish can hold the ball up. And if Grealish don't score or get a penalty or a free kick out of it, Haaland's got to tap in because Haaland would have got there. So, do you know what I'm saying? Yeah, there's 2 results Man City can feel hard done by. Yeah, when Tottenham were getting the result against Liverpool, and this lot were all trolling Liverpool for the statement being put out and saying, oh, they want a replay and all of this and that. Have the same energy for every team, innit?
Exactly, because after the City game, I said, well, you know what? City, sorry, you ain't done enough to win the game. Ultimately, you left it into the referee's hands. You know what I mean? You should have taken the opportunities. How many chances did Haaland have? Doku hitting the crossbar. I keep the same energy with every other team when I'm speaking on them. At the end of the day, do what you need to do. If you know the referees are incompetent, make sure you do what needs to be done. We did what needed to be done against Luton. Yes, we left it to the last minute. Nobody's really talking that hard about VAR. Why? Because we know that we can't count on them. We can only count and change our performance. That's the only thing you can control is your performance. So a little bit of accountability. But Arsenal fans don't like accountability because it's always about an excuse and VAR. Even when we win, man's mentioning VAR. Forget this field up. Let's get into the next one.
I don't know, man. I feel like
the new song up in the showers tonight about Declan Rice. You know what I'm saying?
I saw Kelechi doing some dance next to Declan Rice as well. I'm just like, bro, you are so fake. You know what I mean? Like, bro, just whatever, man. This ain't Britain's Got Talent. If you want to go on Britain's Got Talent, mate, it's over there. What was that? Did you see that Newcastle fan? Listen, mate, Alphabet FC that way. Yeah, that way.
No. That was West Ham when it was at West Ham, the little boy.
Yeah.
Yeah, West Ham boy, the little kid. Yeah, Alphabet.
And he's like, have you had one of them primes? He goes, nah, not today, mate. You know what I'm saying, Lee? Listen, let's get into this one, yeah.